and welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to make squeezable wax melt pouches. Okay, this is something that I'm going to start adding to my shop. Okay, and this holds about anywhere between 7 ounces to 8 ounces, and it's going to be soy wax, 100% soy wax. So if this is something that you would like to see how I make my squeezable wax melts, why don't you join me today and let's get started. So I just realized that this is my first time I've ordered these from Amazon, and I didn't realize that it's a smaller, anyway, a little funnel. It's not gonna fit. So we might have some issues here. One thing I can think of is I just need to pour it with my pitcher, and hopefully I don't make as much of a mess as I want to, but we'll give it a try and test these out. Okay, this is the first time I've ordered these, so I probably just ordered, didn't realize how small this was. So let's try it out. We're just gonna go ahead and test just one. I'm gonna make one to see how that works, okay? So this is using 100% soy wax. And you have to tear it out. Let's try that again. You have to tear it out before you place the pitcher on there. And then you tear it out again. And since we're only doing one pouch, we need 154 grams of wax and 15 grams of fragrance oil. Now we're measuring the fragrance oil. You got to tear it out as well after you place your cup there. And we need 15 grams. And that's giving me a 10% ratio, the fragrance oil that I use. Went over a little bit. So take some out, make sure I'm not under and over. There we go. And as this is soy wax, the perfect temperature to add the fragrance oil is at 185 degrees, and it's already at 179, so we can go ahead and add it since it's not that much of wax that we're using. And then we just add the fragrance oil. Now with soy wax, you can add your fragrance oil at 185 degrees. And you can pour anywhere between 145, 135 to 150, 160, just depending on your vessel. And since these are pouches, I think I'm gonna wait until it is down to 140 before I pour that in. And you have to stir it so they can combine together, the fragrance oil and the wax. If you've done these squeezable wax pouches, wax melt pouches, let me know what you guys use and what kind of wax you guys use as well. This is all new to me, and this is something that I do want to add to my Shopify account and offer to my clients. Let's check the fragrance oil. It is down to 140, so I think it's good to go. Now I'm afraid to pour this in the pouch. Since I don't have a smaller funnel, I'm gonna have to buy one. If I decide to keep these. Again, we're just testing this. All right, let's see how this works. I'll probably make a mess. Don't know if this is going to work or not. This is going to take forever. Excuse my dogs, if you can hear them, they're playing around in the background. Oh no! It's a good thing I'm wearing gloves. Oh no! All right, that's it. There you have it. I guess I made a mess. Go ahead and put this lid on there before I spill it. But yes. So that right there, and I did spill a little bit, so it should be about 7.5 ounces, 7 ounces maybe, or maybe 6.5. So I think this can hold up to 8 ounces. So it just depends on how much you want to fill it. But there's my first squeezable wax melt. Now I just have to clean my mess. But please let me know if you do use these or any kind of squeezable wax melt pouches. Let me know what works for you. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm experimenting with this. This is the first time I've ordered this from Amazon. And I thought it was going to work out, but I didn't realize that I would need a smaller funnel to pour the wax in there. Or what is your method? And tell me what kind of wax you're using as well. And this is where I'm going to end my channel for today because I have a lot of cleanup to do. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel for some more behind the scenes of a candle maker, more tips and tricks. And if you have not already done so, please give it a thumbs up so I can be able to show this to a bigger audience as I am trying to grow my YouTube channel. Next time, keep making candles, take care, and be kind.